Wow! Hello, my lovely viewers. How are we all doing today? It has been a long time. Welcome to Vivi's World of Varieties. In today's upload, I have a compilation of dreadlock varieties ranging from barrel locs to status locs, invincible locs to first locs, and so on, just as the name is, varieties. And they are presented from different views: front views, side views, and back views. Please, in case this is just your first time of coming across my channel, do subscribe, leave your notification bell on for more videos, like, comment, and share. Happy viewing, and God bless you as we see again in another upload. Thanks.
Has done so much for me. He did more than I asked for. He added Jarrah for me. Oh, he never charged me. Oh, what a manner